Hello everyone, my name is Tayvon Jenkins and today I'll be cooking for my Resiliency video and I will be making some fantabulous hamburger helper with bell pepper strips and also some broccoli, stay healthy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and to me, cooking is about resiliency because it's a form of meditation. No matter what, it relaxes me and it makes me feel good and it makes me feel accomplished. So I love to cook when I'm feeling stressed. And I hope you enjoy this short video I have prepared for you. Now everyone, I just got done making everything as you've seen during my time lapse. I'm sorry I couldn't talk, but that's everything there is. And me making my meals makes me feel really complete inside. And I hope you guys really enjoyed this, and also much as I hope you enjoy the 2020 Youth Homeless Summit. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.